Hey, Andrew Keel here, Keel Team Real Estate Investments. Walking through a mobile home park today that we're looking at buying, and you can see some of the deferred maintenance that is happening around here. And these are really easy issues to fix. It doesn't cost a lot of money to fix something like this, but it just would improve the overall appeal of the community if, you know, homes were better taken care of. Also, this is a big hazard, right? Because if there's a fire or something and these vines are all over their back door, they won't be able to get out. So big issue here. Definitely would want to make sure we get this fixed when we take over. I wanted to show you guys an example of a mobile home here. You see the rust spots, the brown spots coming through the top of that home? That's a metal roof, and it needs to be recoated. And in a lot of mobile home communities that we're looking at purchasing, you'll see homes like this, and it's not expensive, typically around $500 to get that roof coated with a new sealant that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's, and it'll add to the life expectancy of the home, because roof leaks are a major issue. Water leaks obviously are going to deteriorate that home faster. So this is what you want to look at, and you want to try to get those homes. A lot of times we'll just pay to have it done for the tenant when we take over, just to make sure we're extending the life expectancy of that mobile home. So talking about, you know, roof coating and those rust spots from those metal roofs coming through.